Unlocking the Secrets of Hair Dye, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: hair dye. This is a phrase you might have come across in beauty magazines, salons, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in sentences. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase. Hair dye is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of two words that come together to create a new meaning. Hair refers to the strands that grow from our scalp, and dye is a type of substance used to change the color of something. So, when we combine these two words, we are talking about a substance used to change the color of hair. Now that we know what hair dye is, let's talk about the different types. There are permanent hair dyes, which can change your hair color for a long period of time. These dyes usually require a chemical reaction to work and can only be removed as your hair grows out. On the other hand, we have semi-permanent and temporary hair dyes. These do not last as long as permanent dyes and can be washed out after several shampoos. They are a good option if you want to try a new color but are not ready for a long-term commitment. Now, let's learn how to use hair dye in sentences. 1. She bought a box of hair dye because she wanted to change her hair color. 2. Be careful when using hair dye, as it can stain your clothes and skin. 3. He decided to use a temporary hair dye for the costume party. In these sentences, hair dye is used as a noun, and it is the main focus of the action. When using hair dye, it's important to follow the instructions on the box carefully. Hair dye contains chemicals that can be harmful if not used properly. It's also a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of skin to ensure you do not have an allergic reaction. And that's it for today's video on hair dye. We hope you now have a better understanding of what it is, the different types available, and how to use the phrase in sentences. Remember, whether you are trying to cover up some grays or just want to change, hair dye can be a great option when used safely and correctly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.